Hey guys, it's Nick with Watermasters, Westcliff, Colorado. We're at a house in Westcliff that we just started a restoration on. This is the condition of the stain. The stain is an oil base and it's starting to fade quite a bit. This is a house that has chinking in between the logs. So what we're going to do is media blast the entire log surface. We're going to sand the logs after that, and we're not trying to get them to a super smooth mirror-like sanding finish. We're looking at a little bit of texture, but just to smooth out the texture that the media blaster is going to give to the logs. So after we have stripped them with the glass media, we're using 4070 glass media. We're going to sand them with 40 grit sandpaper, and then once we borate and stain the logs with Sashco Capture, we're going to come back through and paint these chink lines with chink paint. So stay tuned, see what this looks like at the end.